If you want to know how to scale in Photopea, whether you're resizing a single layer or changing the size of the entire document, this video will walk you through both methods step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to scale images, text, shapes, and full projects without ruining the quality more than necessary. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Photopea guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's look at method 1, which is scaling a single layer or a selection. This is the method you'll use when you want to resize one image, one text box, or one object inside your project while keeping the rest of the design the same. To begin, look over to the Layers panel on the right side of Photopea and click the layer you want to resize. Make sure the correct layer is highlighted because Photopea will only transform the selected item. Once your layer is selected, use the free transform shortcut. On Mac, press Command, Option, and T. On Windows, press Ctrl, Alt, and T. This instantly activates transform mode and you'll see a bounding box appear around your object. These corner handles are what you'll use to scale the layer up or down. Now move your cursor to any corner handle and drag inward to make the object smaller or drag outward to make it larger. If you want to keep the original proportions, hold Shift while dragging. That locks the aspect ratio so your image doesn't stretch or look distorted. This is especially useful for photos and logos. If you want to scale from the center instead of from one corner, hold Option on Mac or Alt on Windows while dragging. That makes the object grow or shrink evenly from the middle. And if you want both at the same time, hold Shift and Alt on Windows or Shift and Option on Mac. That lets you scale proportionally from the center, which is really helpful when you want precise control over your layout. When you're happy with the new size, press Enter on your keyboard or click the check mark in the top menu bar to apply the transform. That confirms the change and locks in your resized layer. Now let's move to method 2, which is scaling the entire image or document. Use this when you want to change the overall pixel dimensions or resolution of the whole project, not just one layer. This is the option to use if you need to prepare an image for upload, make a file smaller, or increase the size of the whole canvas content. To do that, press Command, Option, and I on Mac, or Ctrl, Alt, and I on Windows. This opens the image size window. Inside this window, you'll see options for width, height, and interpolation. First, choose your unit from the drop-down menu. You can switch between percent and pixels depending on whether you want to scale by percentage or by exact dimensions. Next, type your target value into the width or height box. Make sure the chain link icon is locked so the proportions stay connected. That way, when you change one dimension, the other one updates automatically, which helps prevent unwanted stretching. After that, choose the right interpolation method. If you're working with smooth photos or gradients, bilinear or bicubic is usually the better choice because it creates smoother results. If you're scaling hard-edged graphics, icons, or pixel art, nearest neighbor is the best option because it keeps the edges crisp and sharp. Once everything looks right, click OK and Photopea will apply the scale to the entire document. At this point, your image or project will be resized based on the settings you chose. So to quickly recap, use free transform when you want to scale a single layer, and use image size when you want to scale the entire document. Those two tools cover most resizing tasks inside Photopea, and once you get comfortable with them, editing becomes much faster and easier. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy Photopea tutorials. And if you want more quick, step-by-step design tips, stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.